ওয়েলকাম টু কম্পিটিশন সাকসেস চ্যানেল। আজকে ইন্ডিয়ান কনস্টিটিউশন রিলেটেড কোশ্চেন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব, যে কোশ্চেনগুলো বিভিন্ন চাকরির পরীক্ষায় আসে এবং তোমাদের কমন পড়বে। যদি আজকের জিকেগুলো ভালো লাগে, সাবস্ক্রাইব, লাইক ও শেয়ার করবে, যাতে পরবর্তী আপডেটগুলো খুব সহজেই পেতে পারো। নাম্বার 1, on which date drafting committee of Indian constitution was formed? Answer: 29th August 1947. Number 2, on which date the first meeting of the Indian Constitutional Assembly was held? Answer: 9th December 1946. Number 3, when the Constituent Assembly was formed to frame the Constitution? Answer: 6th December 1946. Number 4, by whom recommendation Constitution Assembly was set up? Answer: Cabinet Mission. Number 5, under which article financial emergency can be proclaimed? Answer: Article 360. Question number 6, in which year preamble of Constitution was adopted? Answer: 20th November 1949. Question 7, in how many years of the term of the Indian President? Answer: 5 years. Number 8, in how many days in the vacancy of the post of President to be filled? Answer: within 6 months. Question number 9, by which article a money bill can be introduced in the Parliament? Answer: Article 110. Question number 10, by which number of article a president can be impeached? Article 61. Question number 11, under which article two or more than two states can request central government make a law on the state subject? Answer: Article 252, 252. Question number 12, what is the minimum age for a presidential candidate? Answer: 35 years. Question number 13, who appoints the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Answer: the President of India. Number 14, by which article of the Constitution the Council of Ministers collectively responsible to the House of the People? Article 75, 3, Part 7. (15) Who is the highest authority for grant pardoning a sentence of death? Answer: President, according to Article 72. 16. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? President of India, according to Article 76. Number 17. Who is the first law officer of Government of India? Answer: Attorney General. Question number 18. On which date the Constitution of India was adopted? Answer: 26th November 1949. Question number 19. How many times was taken by the drafting committee for making Constitution? Answer: 2 years 11 months and 17 days was taken the time. Question number 20. How many articles were there in the original constitution? Answer 395. Question number 21. On which day the Indian constitution came into force? Answer 26 January 1950. And at last question 22. When Article 352 is to be applied? Answer external aggression and war or internal disturbance. Thank you watching my channel.